Heating sequence for Ruud and Rheem heat pumps uses a different reversing valve logic than many other brands, so wire connections and thermostat settings must be adjusted accordingly. For Ruud and Rheem units, the reversing valve is energized in heating rather than cooling, which means the thermostat and control wiring must supply power to the reversing valve circuit during a call for heat. Start by confirming the factory wiring. The orange wire that many installers expect on the O terminal may instead belong on the B terminal for these brands. When replacing a thermostat, move the orange conductor to the B terminal and configure the thermostat to use the reversing valve energized in heating setting if it allows that choice. If the thermostat does not have a reversing valve option, program it to operate with a common powered reversing valve by assigning the orange wire to B and ensuring that G for fan and Y for compressor call follow the unit sequence where R supplies 12 or 24 volts, depending on model. Always isolate power at the breaker before changing terminal wiring, then test with a call for heat while watching the outdoor unit to confirm the reversing valve solenoid energizes and the compressor and fan follow expected timing. For line voltage or hybrid systems, consult the equipment schematic and the installation manual because control logic or additional relays may be required to prevent simultaneous fan and compressor lockouts. Common mistakes include leaving the orange wire on the O terminal, which causes the system to energize the reversing valve in cooling and will produce cold air during a heat call. Correct this by moving the orange wire to the B terminal and reconfiguring the thermostat. Another frequent error is failing to switch the thermostat reversing valve, setting from energized in cooling to energized in heating when replacing controls. If the thermostat lacks that option, use the B terminal wiring approach to force the correct logic. A third issue is not verifying voltage and terminal labeling, which can allow incompatible 24-volt control signals or incorrect common wiring to short out controls. Always measure with a multimeter, follow the unit schematic, and add an isolation relay if voltages differ. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and profiles. We also host a discussion community where people and professionals share experiences, ask technical questions, and compare wiring tips like these so everyone can make better choices.